Okay, I was sent this from some TikTok shop. I actually need to figure out who sent it, but it is called Papifeed, I believe. You know, Buster is all bougie about his water, and he loves a fountain. So here's all the parts. We'll put it together.
Turn the sink on just to the screen.
Yeah. Well, he wasn't afraid of the other one. Look at that one. You want to drink from that fountain? Huh? You want to drink a... It works out? Yeah, it does work. It's nice.
Here, look.
Hey, girl. You want some water? That one has a light. Nice.
Here.
You could take a bath in it.
Here. Get up there.
He's like, nope.
There you go.
There. Try it out. I know, I got a lot of stuff up there right now.
There you go.
There.